This is a radar plot of the recommended inter-ramp angle of benches of an open pit obtained from a stochastic kinematic analysis performed on KATS. The radar plot shows the recommended inter-ramp angle at different orientations of the pit walls. For any given orientation, the recommended inter-ramp angle can be obtained. To produce this plot in KATS, go to the KATS website and log in using your email and password. Once inside, you can download the Excel template required to carry out an analysis from the top of the web page. The template contains 3 tabs: the Slopes tab, Planes tab, and the Parameters tab. Fill each tab with the required parameters. For the Slopes tab, this includes bench height, the dip or bench face angle of the slope, the orientation of the slope in terms of depth direction, among others. For the Planes tab, you'll need to enter the mean, dip, and dip direction of the different joint sets to be analyzed, including statistical values like the standard deviation of those two. On the Parameters tab, you include different considerations of the assessment, like unit weight of the rock, water conditions, and the design considerations of the analysis. Once this is all entered, save and close your Excel file. Go to the KATS website and drag and drop your file in the upper part of the page. It will load and show a preview of your file. After that, click on the Run Analysis button to start the assessment. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see different plots start to populate, like a stereonet of the poles that were stochastically generated. The shapes of the instabilities for planar and wedge mechanisms. Histograms of different metrics, and at the end, radar plots showing the same metrics per orientation. You'll find compiled radar plots that include the recommended inter-ramp angle radar plot we saw at the beginning. You're ready now to review the recommendations and carry on with your design process.